hitting.
Surprise!
What is this place?
It's your new party room. Do you like it?
Like it? I love it! And I love all the safari stuff. The balloons, the decorations, the lights. It's amusing, CatRat. You did all this just for me?
Well, it took a little work, but I just wanted to make sure your birthday was as special as you are.
Oh, I love you, CatRat. And you really are the best party planner ever.
What can I say? I have a talent, among many. Oh, and I have something else to show you, too. Oh, party tail! I know you had a lot of great ideas about what kind of party you wanted, so I decided, why not have them all? Ha-cha!
Whoa! A heart party!
Huh? Give it a whirl.
Okay. Pirates!
Arr! Happy birthday, Gabby!
Oh!
Whoa! Looks like you've got some party planning skills, too.
Listen up, Gabby Cats. Now, I hope you've got your roller skates on, because this tune's going out to the birthday girl.
Happy birthday, dear Gabby. We're making sure that your day is happy as can be. You'll see.
Come on, swing the tail and change the theme.
Robots, hearts, under the sea!
We're here to cheer for the birthday girl to throw the best party in the world.
Happy birthday, dear Gabby. We're making sure that your day
Is happy as can be.
you'll see. Your friends are here to say surprise. Change the room before your eyes. And the cake, it smells so nice. Grab a fork and grab a slice. Arr! Happy birthday, dear Gabby. We're making sure that your day is happy as can be. You'll see. Happy birthday, Gabby!
Wow, this was definitely the best birthday party ever! I feel so lucky to have such great friends like you to celebrate with me.